It's just like me to have a late upload. I mean, not a upload because you all are probably watching this in the morning time, but a late recording. This isn't as late as I used to do it. I used to do it so late. No, I don't wear glasses. I was filming some TikToks. Be sure to follow me on TikTok. So yeah, let's do these brows first. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna do these real quick, and then we're gonna start on the tutorial. So I'm gonna do these real quick. 1 second. Okay, so I usually put the foundation on top of my eyebrows, but I put too much on the back of my hand and it's starting to line. So I don't want to waste this. I'm just hurrying up and patting a little bit of it on my face. That way it's not like going to get wasted and fall off my hand and everything like that. So I wanted to get on here and show y'all real quick. Me just putting my foundation on. So trying to get some of it off the back of my hand. I'm still not done my brows, but it was like slipping and sliding. Okay, I think that's good. It's still a little bit on my hand, but I didn't want y'all to be like missing steps. Okay, so I'm about to go back to finishing my brows. Okay, so I don't really care for the brows that much, honestly. They need to get done severely bad. Like, I might go get them done tomorrow. But anyways, I didn't want to put the foundation on until after I did the concealer, but I'm just going to go ahead and just finish that up. And then, I mean, after I did my eyeshadow, but I'm just going to go ahead. I'm just going to go ahead and, like, finish putting this on so it could just be all over my face. I'm just not going to do the concealer or nothing else, like, the rest of the face until after. For the eyeshadow palette, I want to use this Carnival, this one. And they have a lot of pretty like blues and greens, so we're gonna use like this side right here. I'm gonna first go in with, okay, let's see what color. Let's first go in with this shade Make Waves, which is this like turquoise color. We're gonna start that. It's really bright. I'm also debating if I want to put my pink wig on. I did a synthetic pink wig. I'll leave the card for it up here, as well as at the end of this video. This is my second Halloween look. I'm going to post this look on actual Halloween day. On Halloween, I'm not doing anything because I'm going to be at work. Not the evening time, but I just don't have anything planned. And, you know, Corona, and I just don't have anything planned. I don't care. But I still wanted to do something for you all. I did a spider look, but I was like, girl, do something else. Girl, do something else fun. Now that we have that on, I'm gonna go ahead and start to pack the hype using that same brush, more so at the bottom part, and kind of start to make this a little more green. So I'm gonna kind of like just pat that all right here. Okay, what I want to do now, let's cut the crease. Maybe we should do that. So I'm just going to dip this in here and we're going to cut the crease. So I'm going to remove the eyeshadow on my lids first before I do that. Make it a lot more cleaner. So I'm just going to go ahead, wipe this off. You could use what else do I see them use? They use like petroleum jelly. You could just use anything to wipe this off. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to prime this, and I'll be back when it's time to add the color. Okay, so I did this eye and I kind of have an idea now on what I want to do. I was kind of getting a little lost now. So, of course, you all see that I got the white base on. I'm going to take this light blue shade. It's called Soft Spot, and put that at the very end of the tail. It's okay if it gets a little messy, but you want to try to like direct it as much as possible. It's not a very like clean look, as you all can see at first, but it's going to all tie together because I'm going to add some rhinestones, some glitter. We're gonna make it work, okay? Because I don't want to start over. And then now we're going to take that green shade, Nuke, at the bottom, which is like this dark green. Literally only a little bit of it. You could wait to put this one on. And then I put the Neon Ecstasy on next. Now I'm gonna take a flat brush and take Funky, which is this hot pink, and pack that all in the front. So as you all see, you just want to make sure you get the colors to blend. Like this side's really blended. You just want to make sure they're blended. Also, I don't have a reference picture. I'm just kind of trying to make up my own thing as it goes. If it comes out cute, then you're watching the video. If it doesn't come out cute, then I'm throwing all of this in the trash and wasting my time. Then I'm going to save those ears that I bought for a Christmas elf ear. Okay? What I want to do now, while I'm still looking at these kind of crazy eyes, I want to make sure I got the eyes right before I like go ahead and try to finish the face. That way I don't waste my time. So, alright. Now let's add some liner. I don't know if I want to do a wing just yet, so I'm not going to. But I am going to go ahead and put the liner on. Okay, so I have the liner on, and I also have these rhinestones. I don't really want to add these ones because I don't want the black in it. So I'm going to just take these rhinestones and I'm going to apply them more so towards the ending, like, what's it called? Just going to like place them around the ending of it in like this area. Do I like this? Do I like this? We're going to keep trying. We're going to keep trying. We're not going to give up yet. And I might add some more rhinestones. So I put like a whole bunch of blush on, and now I'm taking this like dotting eyeshadow brush and like taking some brown and kind of like trying to create some little fake freckles. This brush is actually really thick, so it's making the dots like really big. Oh my gosh, it's gonna have to be okay, I guess. Okay, let's just go back over with the blush a little bit. Okay, I think that's a little better. Whatever. The damage is done. So the look is kind of coming together a little bit more. I don't know, maybe the blush, the rest of the face kind of really did it. Let's do some shimmer. So let's go back in this palette, and it's like this rose goldy color, and I'm going to use that same blush brush. That blush brush I just used, and just kind of like take that shimmer and start to put it all over my face where I put the blush. And then we're going to take some highlight and really do a highlight on our nose especially. I kind of took that blush up here too. Let's take my highlight blush and go in with this really light one right here and put that on my nose, top of my lip, yeah, forehead. Let's put it in a lot of places actually. And I'll probably retouch it up. And let's definitely put it here. Okay. Now that we're very fairy-esque looking, okay, it's kind of coming together. Glad I didn't start wiping it off and throwing a little tantrum. I want to add some inner corner. Put an inner corner highlight. I don't know if I'm gonna like this shade though. Oh yeah, it's not horrible. yeah, that's cool. I want to take this white eyeliner and do like white dots kind of like right here. So I want to do like maybe like 3. Let's see. So I kind of did it big on small, so let's do that. I only need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I did 1. Oh, that's kind of cute. I think we're pretty much done. I just want to do lip and lashes. Okay, so I just got these like prosthetic ears from where did I get these from? Party City, and they were $10. They come with some spirit gum, but I don't really want to use that because like I'm about to just take some photos in this and take it off. So this is what they look like, and as you all know, I am not this skin complexion, so they need to come out with some darker shades, but there's no need to fear. Makeup is here. I'm just gonna put like 1 pump of some foundation, but I'm just gonna like make them a little bit more brown. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and finish off this look with the lashes and drop these ears on in my hair, and I'll see y'all to close out the video. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. I'm gonna show y'all some close-up images and everything, but I don't know how I'm feeling it. In the comment section, let me know. What's really pretty with the low light? It's giving black waters. But all right, let me bring back the regular. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section what you think. Be nice, okay? I'm trying something new. Okay, I'm trying to elevate. I'm trying to do something different. Let me know what you all think. But thank you all for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up. And happy Halloween.